There we go. 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 Oh, I wasn't looking. I just heard it and felt it. Oh, God. Oh, that's a good fish, I think. Oh, yeah, that's a real good fish. Hello. Fish with a side of salad. Oh, that is some fucking slop in your face, my friend. You gotta work a little bit to get the hook out of you, huh? There's only one in you. That's good. There he is. There you are. Not even bleeding. Frog fishing. This is why we throw the fucking frog. That is why we throw the frog.